Polycyphonia is a large algae actually. Polycyphonia actually triphasic shows triphasic life cycle. Polycyphonia shows triphasic life cycle. That is, in their life, three phases are found. I will be discussing later on. Triphasic life cycle is found in case of Polycyphonia. Polycyphonia
Sir,
used as
sir,
wait. Source of bromine. Bromine is extracted from Polycyphonia. হ্যাঁ বলো
sir, can you please explain triphasic life cycle?
Triphasic life cycle is a type of life cycle. Here two diploid phase. One is corposporophyte, other is tetrasporophyte. Two sporophytic phases are found. One is corposporophyte, other is tetrasporophyte, and third one is the gametophyte. As two different sporophytic phases are found, so you can call it triphasic life cycle. I am writing you one thing, or I am showing you better. And then this part is corposporophyte. So corposporophyte give rise to corpospores, which form the tetrasporophyte, giving rise to the gametophyte spores, tetraspores. Tetrapause will give rise to gametophyte. Gametophyte will then form the gametes and again form the corposporophyte. So one is tetrasporophyte, corposporophyte. This one is gametophyte. In this way, this triphasic. If I start from the corposporophyte, then in the corposporangium, first of all, corpospores are produced, which in turn will form the tetraspores. Tetrasporophytes, meiosis division occurs to form the tetraspores. Tetraspores are meiotic. In corposporophyte, meiotic division doesn't occur, but in the tetrasporophyte, meiosis division occurs to form the tetraspores, which are meiotic, haploid. Then they will form the gametophytic stage, so that eventually zygote is formed. Zygote will be giving rise to the corposporophyte. বুঝতে পেরেছিস? তিনটা কি বলছি আমি? কর্পোস্পোরোফাইট এবারে দেখি Look, this is one phase. How many phases are there?
স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
দেখা যাচ্ছে না? ও আচ্ছা, সরি। So it is the phase and gametophytic phase. So here life cycle of Polycyphonia. In the corpospores are produced by mitotic, no meiosis occurs here. From here tetraspores are produced by meiosis. So meiosis occur in the tetrasporophytic phase, not in the corposporophytic phase. Tetraspore will form the gametophyte, where male gametes and female gametes are ultimately formed to fertilize the egg, and eventually then zygote is formed. Then again corposporophytic stage starts. That's why it is called in the life cycle of Polycythemia, 3 phases are found. That's why it is called triphagic. বুঝতে পেরেছি এবার? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell how they are formed?
Look one thing. Whenever male gamete and female gamete are fused, if I start from anyone, I can start. If anytime when tetraspores, suppose tetraspores are coming over here, so they are the tetraspores. They have to form the gametophyte. In the gametophyte, male sex organ and female sex organs are formed, which are called antheridio archegonia, and then you will get the zygote formed here. After that, it will start as soon as diploid is formed. That means it start from here zygote. Zygote to form corposporophyte. In the corposporophytic phase, corposporangium is developed. In the corposporangium, through mitotic division, corpospores are formed. Corpospores are here. Suppose they are the corpospores. They enter there, where forming tetrasporophyte. In the tetrasporophytic phase, tetrasporangium is developed. Inside tetrasporangium, meiosis division occurs to form the tetraspores, and this tetraspores eventually will form the gametophytic phase. এবার বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir. Sir, in sporophyte mitosis happens.
In corposporophyte, meiosis doesn't occur. That's why then also again we get the diploid stage. Corposporophytic phase and tetrasporophytic phase both are diploid phase. When tetrasporangium is formed in the tetrasporophytic phase, inside the tetrasporangium, meiosis division occurs. But in the corposporangium, from zygote, embryos form. From zygote, you know, corposporangium is developed. Inside the corposporangium, corpospores are formed, but not by meiosis. These corpospores then enter the next phase, tetrasporophyte phase, where they form the tetrasporangium ultimately. In the
Corposporocytes are formed by corposporocytes are formed by
এই কারণে মিনিমাম লেভেল লার্নিং দরকার। কি বলেছি আমি? জাইগোট হয়। Whenever male gamete fertilize the female gamete, zygote is formed.
okay, sir.
Zygote gives rise to this. বুঝতে পেরেছিস তো?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. Next day, that is on next Sunday, I think. Thank you all.